Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can compare insurance costs for all types of needs of insurance. Insurance is what you buy just in case some catastrophe in life comes and gets you and you can't afford to bankroll it yourself. So you need to have an insurance company that's going to bring you the money to fix whatever calamity just happened. Whether that's a car accident or a health issue or life insurance to protect your kids and people you love and take care of, or your house, or the home you rent. And unless you have $1 zillion in your bank account, you may not be able to cover any of those. That's why we buy insurance. I had been researching the internet because I had some insurance things that have come up and I need to get new insurance. And as I researched, I found this company, Policygenius. I've never seen anything like it before. It compares all kinds of insurance policies for whatever you need to make sure you're getting the best value and showing you what features you get with those policies. And life insurance was so important to me as a stay-at-home mom for children. This is a painting I painted of 2 of my kids and my puppy dog. During this time, I was much younger and I got a policy that still stays with me today. You might be young in life and starting out, and maybe you're having kids. And at the point in time you have your children, that's the time to get your policy. And Policygenius can compare all the different rates and the types of policies you might be interested in. It was brilliant. They never had that when I was younger. I had to trust that one insurance agent would give me all my best choices. That was really tough for me. And I got a good policy at that time, but little known fact, I used to sell life and disability insurance and I was licensed when I was younger. And I know that there's a ton of stuff going on in that world, and unless you really know what you're getting, it can be scary. So Policygenius has figured it out for you. And I'm thrilled with all the versions of life insurance that they offer. Like term life, short term, whole life, your whole life, and even no medical exam life insurance. I like that one. And there's even a calculator in the program so you can figure out what your costs are going to be by how much you want to buy. That was pretty amazing to do it yourself. And a helpful resources is also life insurance advice, so you can see what you're going to need with what your circumstances are. That's amazing. You don't have to rely on appointments with people you don't know to get this information. It's all there in Policygenius. And they even have life insurance company policy reviews so you can see what people say about them and which ones you feel most comfortable with. After all, it is something that's going to be with you a long time, so you want to make sure you get the right company that's covering your life insurance. They even have homeowners insurance and will compare those rates too across the board. So when shopping, you can get all the comparisons of the rates, so you can make the best value decision on what you're looking to get. I like that. I want to know what the rates are going to be, and I want to know them against each other. And they have another category called the insurance checkup, and so you can go through to see what kinds of insurances you really do need and what you don't. That's super valuable too, because you don't want to waste money on something you don't really need. Insurance is important because it's all about saving you money and planning for things that you may not have the bank account to do yourself. It's for those big things in life that you wouldn't be able to finance but would need to fix. Click the link below and check out Policygenius. It's free to check out. You can compare right away all the types of insurances you might need in your life. Comment and tell me the things that make you worry the most, what kind of risks you want to protect against, and let's have a conversation. Ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like recipes so we don't have to bankroll a big catastrophe that might be coming down the road. See you next time. And if you like this video, I have some more on similar topics right over here, so click them.